Welcome to Brain Vision.
First thing we want to do is open our textbook and look up values for linear expansion coefficient of steel and brass. So for steel, it is going to be 11 times 10 to the negative 6. And that's inverse degrees Celsius. And then brass is going to be 19 times 10 to the negative 6, same units, inverse degrees Celsius. Okay, now what's important about this question is not only do our rods expand and contract, I guess, or shrink, but also our steel tape does too. So we need to find delta L net, which is going to be the change of L of brass minus the change of L of steel. So delta L net is going to be equal to delta LB is going to be Li, the initial for brass, times alpha B times delta T. And then for steel is going to be Li. Li is the same for both because it's 95 centimeters, times alpha steel delta T. Delta T is also the same. And we can just simplify this. L net is equal to Li times alpha B minus alpha S delta T. Now we can plug our numbers in and find our difference, or our change in length. Change of length measured, I guess, is equal to, Li is 95 centimeters. And then alpha B, we're going to have something like 19 minus 11 times 10 to the negative 6 inverse degrees Celsius, times our delta T, which for A is negative 15 minus 20 degrees Celsius. Just find that our delta L net is going to be negative 0.0266 centimeters. So if our initial is 95 centimeters, then our final is just going to be 95 minus 0.0266 centimeters, which is, of course, equal to 94.97 centimeters. Okay, now B is, of course, a very similar question. It's just you're just changing T of F, so why don't we go to our L net equation again, just plug stuff in. So delta L net is equal to, our initial is going to be 95 centimeters again. We have to subtract our linear expansion coefficients to the negative 6. And then our change in temperature is the only thing that changes, so we're going to end with 55 degrees Celsius. We have to subtract the initial 20 degrees Celsius from that, and you should find that our delta L net in case B is going to be equal to a positive 0.0266. So therefore our final will just be 95 plus 0.0266, which is going to be equal to 95.03 centimeters. And if you've watched this whole thing and wondered, okay, why did we do steel, or why did we do brass minus steel for delta L, it is because the linear coefficient of brass is greater, so we know that it will shrink more than steel would or expand more.